So at last it did work out. Thank you, dear Subcatcher, for your suggestions. Here is what I have ended up with. So we have our fighting bot. It has few flags, and the idea here is to bootstrap our level and prepare for fight, then fight and do it really fast. So things we gonna need. First of all, we need to show home map, which will allow us to kind of see enemy units. The next step will be to control enemy units, which will allow us to send commands to enemy units like attacking and so on. After the control requested, we need to wait a little bit until we start see enemy units, because even though there is async await, it's lying and you need to kind of wait for this to appear. The next, so we prepare our site. So what we are doing here, we are creating the supply, destroying our command center, and destroying all workers and creating for marines. The same is done for opponent side. So here is supply, destroy command center, destroy workers, create marines, and set to true that control were received. The next step, actually it's more optional like, but we can also control the unit structures, so we are damaging supplies. So in either case, game will end up really fast. Also note that we can create not only units but also structures. Okay, now before starting the fight, we should wait till all workers disappear, which means that this code worked out. Okay, and we are setting both sides to attack each other. So yes, it's all of this can be optimized, but it's just for demo purposes. And actually here is what we should kind of implement fighting logic. And the last step is just for not waiting for game to finish. We are checking if there is no units on one of the sides. We are just quitting the game. So let's give it a try. So yes, as you can see, command center and workers were destroyed. Here is our supply, it's already been damaged and will die very soon. And here is armies. Not know why he decided to retire. And as you can see, when there is no enemies, we have our win, and we do not wait for all buildings being destroyed. So with this approach we can simulate practically any scenario we want.